Hi, my name is Nikki Huhn. I'm a heart transplant provider with Hartford Healthcare, Hartford Hospital Transplant Program. As a heart transplant provider, I'm part of a multidisciplinary team of clinicians, and we meet patients before their transplant, follow them through the evaluation process, and then I continue to see them in the outpatient setting after their heart transplant. I would say that I guess I was pretty fortunate to find my niche in medicine shortly after nursing school. And I worked in a cardiothoracic ICU. And from there, I went to nurse practitioner school and am now specialized in advanced heart failure, mechanical heart pumps, or left ventricular assist devices, and heart transplant. Definitely the most satisfying part is the connection with patients because you're getting to know them in a very vulnerable time in their life, and you're following them through the continuum of their disease process, however that may look. And with heart failure, that can be a number of different ways. So, really, the cornerstone for me is patient relationships and with their families. But I also love the clinical challenges that we're faced with every day. I think it's important to remember when you're caring for patients again, that they're in an incredibly vulnerable place in life, and many of these patients are facing true life and death. They don't know what to expect, and in fact, many times don't even know what questions to ask. So that's our responsibility, or I consider that to be my responsibility to help them along that journey. I'm very fortunate to be part of the multidisciplinary team for left ventricular assist devices. And actually, I helped create the first program in Connecticut for patients to be able to go home with this mechanical heart pump while they awaited transplant. One thing patients should know about me is I will always be honest and upfront in our communication, because I think without that, you don't have a trusting relationship, and your care is not going to be effective. Outside of work, I love to be outside in nature, in particular trail running and mountain biking. Just really in the woods is where I find a lot of peace. But I also love to travel, and with that, I get to see, the world, life from others' perspectives, and kind of immerse myself in different cultures and experiences, and that's been very fulfilling.